Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can save adjustments on CapCut PC. So if you go to adjustments and you add in like a custom adjustment here, and then you can just select it and you can edit it the way you like it. For instance, you want it to be pink and blue, adjust the saturation a little bit, add in some brightness and some contrast. I don't really like it with a lot of contrast. I'm just going to up the highlight, and then I'm also going to sharpen it, and that's what I want for it basically. And I want to be able to use this on all of my other videos, so I'm just going to simply select this, save as preset, and add it to any of the kind of like space that you have. Make sure you have space first though. And you can name it. For instance, I want to name it blue and pink. Okay. Delete that and then just go to presets here. If you want to add that, it's still uploading. So, okay, I just pressed cancel upload. Why did I do that? Okay. Can I type? And it's going to be uploaded. It's still uploading. Don't press cancel like I did, but you're going to basically be able to add that later on, even if you've deleted that preset on your timeline, as you can see. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comments section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!